Whether you are crawling through a dusty convoy or crossing a river on the trail, your Tacoma's stock air intake is sitting low and vulnerable, pulling in exactly the wrong kind of air at the worst possible moment. A Snorkel fixes that permanently. All the links are in the video description. Let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 6, we've got the BACLAUGH Snorkel for the first generation Tacoma. One-piece rotomolded UV-stable, linear low-density polyethylene body with stainless steel ram head and pipe clamps. Solid, corrosion-resistant hardware throughout. Raises the air intake above water level for safer crossings and helps the engine breathe cleaner, cooler air on dusty trails. Built specifically for the 1995 to 2004 Tacoma. A no-frills option that gives older generation owners the trail protection they need without overthinking it. Moving on to number 5. Say hello to the ALEGE Snorkel for the second generation Tacoma. Fits both the 2.7-liter and 4-liter engines from 2005 to 2015. Durable plastic construction designed to keep water and sand out of the engine during crossings while feeding in a steady supply of cool, clean air. The aggressive look is a bonus for off-road enthusiasts who want their rig to actually look the part. Professional installation or a specialist shop is recommended to make sure everything is fitted correctly without any damage. Sliding into number 4, check out the ARB Safar RMAX Snorkel for the second generation Tacoma. UV-stable cross-linked polyethylene, vehicle-specific design tested on an airflow bench, and the RMAX air ram head that simultaneously maximizes airflow while pulling moisture out of the incoming air. Flows more air than competing snorkels for this application, and is built to meet or exceed factory inlet performance. Safari has been the benchmark in snorkel engineering for decades, and this second-gen Tacoma version carries that same standard forward. Dropping into number 3, meet the K&N Snorkel for the third-generation Tacoma. Designed and manufactured in the USA, one-piece roto-molded high-density, cross-linked polyethylene with stainless steel clamps. Relocates the air inlet to the highest point on the vehicle for cleaner air in dusty and debris-heavy conditions. Compatible with factory, K&N, and air raid intake systems. Trail-ready installation in about 3 hours. Backed by K&N's no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Not legal in California, but a well-engineered and confidence-inspiring option everywhere else. Stepping into the top 2, here's the LYNICE SHOP Snorkel for the third-generation Tacoma. Made from high-quality polyethylene with solid hardness for long service life, this snorkel keeps water and sand particles out of the engine while boosting airflow and helping the engine pass through deep water safely. Minor drilling and cutting required, professional installation is strongly recommended. Ships with foam and carton protective packaging so it arrives in perfect condition. A practical, affordable choice for third-gen owners. And coming in at number 1, the ARB Safar RMAX Snorkel for the third-generation Tacoma, earning that top spot all day. Safari's newest RMAX technology is purpose-built to increase airflow to the airbox, not just provide protection. UV-stable cross-linked polyethylene, vehicle-specific fit verified on an airflow bench, air ram water separation that works in heavy rain, and 10% higher airflow than competing snorkels for this application. Stainless steel and plated hardware throughout for long-term durability. The most trusted name in snorkels delivering their best technology for the newest Tacoma generation. The clear choice. And that is your top 6 snorkels for the Toyota Tacoma across all 3 generations. Every link is right there in the video description. Go find the one that fits your year and your adventures. If this helped, smash that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More Tacoma content is on the way. Catch you in the next one.